However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons have provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. The conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for mention 13th January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Kookie ewulidde bye mwogedde nti muli kutabagana wabula amateeka gakirabika bulungi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa nti temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Mu nsonga ya bailo, Kookie egambye nti Kookie bwe banga egenda okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo eky'enkalakalira mw'abeera, ajja kusobola okudda mu kooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwabi wa gavumenti teyawakanya bayima abo, era kooti nayo ekizudde nti baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwennyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abayima bano ababiri, kooti yeekizudde nti bano babadde mikwano gy'okumala ebbanga ddene era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa ku bukwakuliizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ogubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu obuliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kooti enaakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kooti enaakizuula okweyimirwa kwamwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakuliizo obwo nga bumaze obutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January omwaka ogujja.
Abakuiteko Joe kansa. Aita.
I want Matovu Zaidi. Present. I want that space. I want that space there. Yeah, I want that space. One, Nsambya silence. Vitala. Chihuahua. The second name? Peru. You must say by your complaint with us about paying me. You have not informed me in your complaint. A complaint? Yeah, what if I try to hear from the lawyers of the accused person before you can deliver the complaint there? Because they were supposed to receive one government has said, you have a plan was to have a good paragraph of
Previously, the state attorney had requested for another letter from Powers Morin and presented herself. We equally.
That is for April.
Yes, surety Powers. And they too had stated that he had 2 areas of residence, had also requested for also another letter from that residence, which has been produced. And since we have satisfied the conditions which had been set, we are ready now to receive the ruling.
bamaze okutuukiriza okutuuliza Kookie ke yateekawo eteeketeeka omukono okusalawo kwa
We stand on our prayers that we have earlier made. Grant their two persons. So pray. Maybe also one of the issues that had arisen the other time was reconciliation, and steps were taken to reconcile the parties. And that since the parties have taken seriously reconciliation bit of this matter, what bases on that basis exercise its discretion to grant that this person fail.
Has the reconciliation been concluded or it's a work in progress?
Worship, it has been concluded and additional statements have been recorded. It's an able state that the reconciliation has been a success.
Your Worship, in addition to that, on record, Council Andrew Wambi, Your Worship, we are here for two cases. One is pending ruling, the other
I am
is
handling one file at a go, not
Yeah.
your addressing on two files.
matter
So we are handling the
for
file where
for
the,
the ruling, but I wanted to,
so address me on that
I would
file.
like to address you on the issue of the reconciliation, Your Worship.
Yes.
Your Worship, the parties have decided to reconcile in this matter. And the spirit of this honorable court under section 160 of the Magistrate Courts Act. Having in mind of the nature of the offense, we would still ask the court for guidance in that matter. The reconciliation was recorded and the parties have forgiven each other. However, as I stated, being the nature of the offense, we need guidance from the honorable court. Your Worship, we are however ready for this bail ruling, and we pray that the same is granted.
yali yajja mu ddiiro yali yakutabagana era balaga nti okutabagana kwawedde abavunaanibwa ne n'abavunaana beesonyiye newankubadde nga additional statement zakoleddwa basabye Kookie ebalungamye ku kyekiddako era olwaliro omusango badde gujja kuwulira kusalawo kwa kooti era beetegefu.
Before I hear from the state, let me hear from each of the victims, whether whatever has been submitted upon is true. Mr. Matovu, have you been approached?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the process?
Yes.
Mr. Dong Alex, is that the position? Is it true these people approached you? You discussed willingly and did you agree with their terms? Nsambya, were you part of the process? Were you involved and did you understand the process? Everyone, were you involved in the reconciliation as it is arranged?
Nawe wabadde kitundu tabagana kuno nga bakuliza bwe bagamba.
Etsu, were you part of this process? And you agreed to meet with your complainants and you told. About the proposed reconciliation, court does not deny them the opportunity to explore the same. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter.